Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm just going to show you the difference, what you get if you only buy the GroovePages for $4.97 or everything for 3 payments of $4.97. So if you only buy GroovePages for $4.97, you actually get GroovePages, GrooveSell, and GrooveAffiliate. So you have GroovePages, which is basically all your projects, all your websites, URLs, funnels, everything you create would be inside GroovePages. GrooveSell would be if you're selling something on one of your pages. You have a PDF, you have a course, anything you would think about selling. Even a physical product you can add in here. As you can see, I don't have anything yet. And then GrooveAffiliate would be your affiliates, where you have your affiliate links where you're trying to sell other people's products. So if you come back to the main console here, the main page, we see here after the next item available will be GrooveMail coming out next week, hopefully. And then there's going to be GrooveMember and GrooveVideo. And in the future, we're going to have GrooveBlog, GrooveWebinars, GrooveDesk, GrooveCalendar, GrooveSurvey. And if you also sign up, you'll also get access to GrooveCart and GroovePages for Shopify. That's if you sign up now. If you wait till paying the regular prices, which will be $99 a month or $199 a month, then you'll have to pay for different things separately. But if you sign up for the 3 payments of $4.97, you get everything. So that's the difference between the $4.97 for just GroovePages, GrooveSell, or GrooveAffiliate, or the 3 payments for $4.97, where you basically get everything that they will ever bring out. Or here we can see we have a bigger list here. GrooveSell, GrooveAffiliate, Pages Pro, Mail Member, Video, Leads, Cart Abandons, Buyers, Affiliates, Blog, Desk, Survey, Quiz, Future Apps. You also get GrooveCart, which is like a Shopify store. Then you eventually will have access to GrooveWebinars, live webinars, and automated webinars. And then if you want to be an affiliate for GroovePages or the GrooveFunnels, you all get 40% if you buy it now for the 3 payments of $4.97, where if you get it later, you only get 20%. But if you're not sure at all anyways, you can sign up for free, where you get GrooveSell, GrooveAffiliate, and GroovePages Lite. So you can actually have access to the full product, almost the full product, and you don't have to pay. They don't even need a credit card. You can just sign up for free. And then later on, if you decide to buy, you can buy. If not, you can use this product for free forever. They're going to grandfather you in, and you never have to pay ever again. But then also, if you buy the lifetime option, you'll still never have to pay again. You just have to pay the one time. They actually even have a one-time payment of, I believe, around $1,400. It's $100 less. Here it's $13.97 for lifetime access. So you save $100 over the 3 payments of $4.97. And then below on this page also they have different specifications of the upgrade. So the Lite will only include 3 funnels or 3 custom domains, where the full plan you get unlimited everything pretty much. Now I'll put the links to all these in the description below, to the free plan, to the plan if you want to buy it for $4.97 or the 3 for $4.97. And you can check it out and see if you like it or not. It's a great time to get into a product when it's just starting, because they have these lifetime options. The best part is you don't have to pay ever again, so you can keep using it and using it, take a break, use it again, and you just have the one payment, one time, or 3 payments of $4.97, and then you're done. Alright, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.